In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable full screen mode in the Microsoft Edge browser on your PC. This feature is especially handy when you want to maximize your screen space, watch videos, or simply enjoy a distraction-free browsing experience. Let's begin. I'll show you two easy methods to toggle full screen mode whenever you need it. Method 1, using a keyboard shortcut. This is the quickest and easiest way. Simply press F11 on your keyboard. The moment you press it, Microsoft Edge will switch to full screen mode, hiding the address bar, tabs, and menus so you can enjoy a clean view of your web page. To exit full screen mode, just press F11 again. It instantly brings everything back: your tabs, address bar, and menus. This method is perfect if you like using quick keyboard shortcuts. Method 2, using the on-screen menu. If you prefer using your mouse, here's what to do. First, open Microsoft Edge and click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of your browser window. From the drop-down menu, find and click the full screen option. You can easily recognize it by the diagonal double arrow icon. Once you click it, your browser will enter full screen mode, hiding all toolbars and menus for an immersive experience. To exit full screen, you have two simple options. Either press F11 again or move your mouse to the top of the screen. When the toolbar reappears, click on the Exit Full Screen button. And that's it. Now you know how to easily enable or disable full screen mode in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're watching a movie, reading an article, or just want a clean workspace, this feature helps you stay focused and enjoy a better browsing experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.